Good morning, students. English spellings. We will do some words from column 4 and some words from column 5. So, here are the 20 words. 9 are from column 4 and 11 are from column 5. So, the first word is passenger. Passenger. Passenger is someone who is traveling in a car or a bus or a train, who is traveling but is not driving that vehicle, who is only traveling. Second word is herbivore. Herbivore. And next word is carnivore. Carnivore. As you all know, carnivore are the animals which eat only flesh, and herbivore are the animals which eat only plant products like leaves, flowers, or fruits and vegetables. Wriggle. Wriggle. Wriggle means to turn or move the body quickly from side to side like the worms. Worms wriggle. Cruelty. Cruelty. Cruelty means being unkind, not kind, hurting others. That is to be cruel. And we should not be cruel to animals. The opposite of cruel is kind. So we should be kind to animals. Restaurant. Restaurant. A restaurant is a place where we go to buy a meal and to eat it also. We sit there and eat the meal. Shattered. Shattered. Shattered means to break into very small pieces. Theatre. Theatre. A theatre is a building where you go to see plays, to see drama or plays. Quantity. Quantity. Quantity means how much of something there is. Like I have a small quantity of cheese. I have a small quantity of sugar. So that is quantity. How much there is of. Squirming. Squirming. The meaning of squirm is to wriggle or twist the body from side to side like worms, but it is because of like you are not feeling well, discomfort is there, or you are nervous, then you squirm your body. Camouflage. Camouflage. Camouflage is a kind of pattern or color that helps animals or human beings to blend to the surroundings. Like you can see a chameleon here, but you cannot easily see that chameleon because it is blending with its surrounding. And this is a camouflage military dress. The people who are in military, who are soldiers, they wear uniform like this that they also blend with their surroundings. Offend. Offend. Offend means to make somebody feel angry or unhappy, sad with your words. So we should not offend anyone. Like she was offended when you said that she was fat. Like someone is fat, but you should not say these words. Like if you say, then that person is offended. That means you are hurting that person. So you should not say words which hurt other people. And you should also not get offended very quickly. Thorax. Thorax. This is the part of a body. You can see the thorax of this insect. Thorax. Thorax. Apartment. Apartment. Crawling. 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 Expensive. Expensive. This is an expensive bracelet. That means it costs a lot of money. Expensive. Favorite. Favorite. Like, what is your favorite color? Athlete. Athlete. Athlete is a person who is good in sports like running, jumping or throwing. Like Indian athlete Neeraj Chopra won a gold medal in javelin throw. Document. Document. Document is a paper with important information. Document, and you save your important documents in the computer. Campaign. Campaign. A campaign is take part in a plan to get a special result. Like there are campaigns like we are campaigning against cutting off trees. That you can have to tell everyone don't cut trees, don't cut trees. Then that is your campaign against cutting off trees. Campaign. Campaign. So dear students, you don't have the English spelling vocabulary copy. So you will write these words in your rough copy and learn the spellings. Thank you and have a nice day.